Introducing Carbon AutoTractor, the first and only tractor autonomy solution with real-time remote supervision and control. Developed with feedback from farmers, AutoTractor solves the biggest issues in autonomy: frequent stoppages, constant oversight, and unreliable performance. Installed on existing tractors and monitored by carbon operators that handle interventions as they arise, AutoTractor increases productivity, reduces labor dependency, and scales operations. Now available for John Deere 6R and 8R series tractors. It pairs with smart implements like the laser weeder to boost coverage by up to 20% and autonomously runs common ground prep tasks. Backed by our proven, world-class support team, Carbon AutoTractor is reliable, simple, and ready to work. Carbon Robotics, driving the future of farming.